Morning everyone. Today my topic is e-Sanjeevani OPD, which is a Government of India initiative for real-time teleconsultation. e-Sanjeevani OPD is a stay-home OPD that is being developed by Center of Development of Advanced Computing in Mohali. Salient features of this citizen-friendly web-based national teleconsultation service are patient registration, token generation, queue management, audio video consultation with a doctor, e-prescription, SMS and email notifications, services by state doctors, and it is completely free of charge and it is fully configurable. By configurable it means that the doctor has freedom to decide how many slots he wants to open for that day. e-Sanjeevani OPD is based on e-Sanjeevani Government of India's flagship telemedicine technology developed by Center of Development of Advanced Computing in Mohali. It is a doctor-to-doctor telemedicine system that is being deployed nationally by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare at around 1,55,000 hubs under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. National Teleconsultation Service. National Teleconsultation Service of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is first of its kind online OPD service offered by a country government to its citizen. National Teleconsultation Services aims to provide healthcare services to a patient in the comfort of their home. Center of Advanced Center for Development of Advanced Computing. It is located in Mohali. It is governed by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It is a premium R&D facility, and it is working on strengthening national technological capabilities in context of global developments in the field and responding to change in the market need in selected foundation areas. In that process, CDAC represents a unique facet working in close conjunction with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology in order to realize nation's policy and pragmatic interventions and initiatives in information technology. As an institute of high-end R&D, CDAC has been at forefront of information technology revolution, constantly building capacities in emerging enabling technologies and innovating and leveraging its expertise caliber skill sets to develop and deploy IT products and solutions for different sectors of the economy. Now, the group at CDAC which actually developed e-Sanjeevani OPD is Health Informatics Group. It has e-Sanjeevani OPD has been designed and deployed by Health Informatics Group. It is one amongst the pioneers in e-health and telemedicine technologies in Asia. It is completely scalable. It is hosted by Ministry of Electronics and IT approved cloud services with private subnets, firewalls, and web application firewalls, anti-DDoS solutions, and geofencing. The data is completely encrypted, and by this the government ensures that the demographic details collected so are protected. So when you go to e-Sanjeevani website, there are some steps on the patient side and on the doctor side. So for the patient to consult a doctor, first he has to verify his mobile number. When that verification is done, a token is generated, and using that token the patient can log into the portal. Once he logins, he will be able to choose a doctor, and he will be displayed the current wait times at the time of his login. After the consultation, an electronic prescription will be generated, which is completely downloadable. So when This is the first step, the registration. You enter your mobile number, you enter your state, and you'll receive a token. Then you enter that token to log in. And on the doctor side, you enter your mobile number, you'll receive an OTP. After submitting your OTP, you'll be able to log in. Once the doctor logins, this is the dashboard he is looking at. He'll be able to see how many patients are waiting, the time consumed per consultation, and various other stats. So during consultation, the interface will look like this. There will be video and chat boxes on the right side. In the center, there will be a form, and on the left there will be the waiting list of the patient who are currently in queue for that consultation. So in this form, in the center, it has all the patient demographics. It contains various sections regarding the symptoms, the duration of symptoms, then probable diagnosis, and the doctor's advice. So after all this is done and submitted by the doctor, an e-prescription is generated, which looks like this. On the top there is the consultation ID, there is patient information, there is past history, then the current condition, and its suggested therapy. So whenever the data is collected on a digital platform, privacy becomes important. But for these services to function properly, this data is needed, and the patient will have to consent to the terms of the privacy policy. But the government, in conjunction with CDAC, is trying to ensure all possible firewalls to protect the patient information. So what is the information that is being collected? When you register, you enter the following details: your name, age, address, mobile number, email ID, your past health records, and if you are filling the form for a dependent, then the details of that dependent. The information is stored on the server, and the app assigns to the user an ID. So every subsequent consultation, the patient ID will be referred to. On the e-Sanjeevani portal, every time you open that portal, on the bottom you will see some stats. So these are the stats when I logged onto that portal. This is on 12th of September, and up until that time 3,51,000 plus hours of teleconsultations were done. At that given moment, 35 attending doctors were present, with a mean patient wait time at around 7.5 minutes. These are some stats that are available in the bottom of the web page, and they outline the various services provided on the platform. So up until now, more than 60 lakh patients were served through this portal. More than 2 lakh providers have been onboarded on this portal. On the left side you can see a QR code which will guide you to the link to download this application on various mobile platforms, and there is this list of services which includes online OPD, real-time telemedicine, state services doctors, video consultation and chat, and the most important, the service is completely free. Thank you.